Hey gang, it's truth time. Many of you asked how well the stair treads would hold up, or at least how well I think they would hold up, and it's time to let you know how that's going. In the spirit of full disclosure, I feel compelled to tell you that I have had to replace a few of the stair treads, 4 or 5 of them to be exact. I really like to put my work through its paces to make sure it's going to hold up under even the harshest conditions. So I went ahead and dropped an old gas range down my stairs. The good news is that the treads really held up pretty well, but they did crack a little bit under the weight and force of an old gas range falling on them. So two things to note from that is that they don't hold up well against heavy kitchen appliances being dropped on them, but they are pretty solid under those conditions. I had to replace a couple other steps just because I didn't quite have them on far enough. So underneath the treads that I made are some old existing treads, and I found out that it can be pretty difficult to get the new treads to completely overlap the old ones. And if you don't get that whole lip right up nice and tight against the old step, there's a little bit of give in the steps, and so that can cause them to break. So I did have to replace 1 or 2 of the steps because of that. But otherwise, they've held up really well. So just keep that in mind if you're doing it yourself. Make sure that you don't drop appliances down them, and also just make sure that you get your new stair tread completely over top of the old one so that there's no give at the end of it, and you should be all set.